Namaste. खुश रहो बेटे. I, Jivan Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic to demonstrate the function of olfactory nerves. This topic belongs to the Human Anatomy and Physiology practical for the B Pharm second semester students. So now we come to the introduction of olfactory nerves. So sensation perceived by the body are organized into major groups. General sensations such as touch, pressure, pain, and temperature, and spatial sensation such as vision, hearing, taste, smell. And the sense of body position and movement. The olfactory nerves is the first of the 12 cranial nerves and one of the few cranial nerves that carries spatial sensory information only. In this case, the olfactory nerves is responsible for our senses of smell. So olfactory pathway and nerve, the order information originates in the epithelium of the nasal cavity and is transported to the brain via components of the olfactory nerve. Cranial nerve and the olfactory pathway, a decreased sense of smell has been associated with Parkinson's disease, and this can be an important clinical marker in this and other states of disease or injury. So olfactory, to understand the olfactory nerves and its clinical implications, this topic will trace the olfactory nerves from its receptor cell located in the nasal epithelium to the olfactory cortex, and beyond it will highlight some of the unique characteristics of certain cells within the olfactory pathway and the connection of the pathway to memory and behavior related brain regions. Key facts about the olfactory nerves and pathway: function, spatial sense of smell, olfactory cells, olfactory receptor cell and sense order, and contain cilia supporting cell basal stem cells and replacing old and damaged olfactory receptor cells. Olfactory nerve, um, uh, olfactory nerve formed out of collection of olfactory receptor cell axons and which pass through the cribriform plate and into the roof of the nasal cavity. Olfactory bulb, it is relay station of the olfactory pathway and contains olfactory glomeruli. Olfactory tract it is made up of the axons of mitral relay neuron. So olfactory tree, they are the medial and lateral division of the olfactory tract. Olfactory cortex, preform cortex, and amygdala in entorhinal cortex and output destination. So olfactory nerve pathway, it is the important to note that the olfactory nerve is only one component of the overall pathway and is in fact made up of multiple nerves fiber, rootlets and coming from the receptor cells. The pathways can be summarized as follows: olfactory receptor cells, olfactory nerves, olfactory bulb, olfactory tract, olfactory tree, olfactory cortex, and output targets of the olfactory cortex. So the olfactory nerve is only one of the 12 cranial nerves. Learn about all 12 of them with our time-saving cranial nerves quizzes and labeling exercises. Olfactory receptors cells, these are located into the olfactory epithelium, a mucosal membrane that lines to roof and sides of the nasal cavity. So this is the complete protocol for the olfactory nerves. This digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.